Hello everyone, I'm Amelia. Today we will teach you how to convert Pandora music to MP3 with UkeySoft Pandora Music Converter. After converting Pandora music to MP3, you are able to play music offline on any MP3 player, iPod Nano, mobile phone, car media player, and more devices. Today, my colleagues, Krishnal will teach you how to convert Pandora music to MP3 and other formats.
Hey there, I'm Krishnal. It's easy to download and convert Pandora music to MP3 with UkeySoft Pandora Music Converter. This tool is very easy to use. Let's get started. To get starting, launch UkeySoft Pandora Music Converter on computer and then log in via your Pandora Music account. After that, you can play music online in its built-in web music player or browser all songs, playlists, and albums that you like. Move the mouse up and down to view all the official streaming music library. In its built-in searching bar, you are able to search any tracks, artists, albums, or playlists. Please open any playlist or albums that you want to download. Clicking the setting icon and then select MP3, AAC, M4A, or other output format and choose Output Audio Quality, then close the setting windows back to searching result. You can move the mouse up and down to browse all songs in this playlist. Hitting the red Add to List button in the lower right corner to add all the songs to the pre-converting list. You can move the mouse up and down to view all added songs and then select songs that you want to download. By default, all songs are selected. You can deselect all songs, then clicking the box next to each song to select them. And then, clicking the Convert button start to converting Pandora music to MP3 format. Its conversion speed up to 16x fast. Please waiting patiently until all songs downloaded completed. Now, I stop conversion process for show you more features. Clicking the blue icon to open the output folder, you can get MP3 songs. Clicking the clock icon to open the built-in music manager, all downloaded songs are automatically categorized by date, artist, and album. Clicking the play icon to play music offline. Let's enjoy music together.
Build a house